welcome to social science class. I hope all of you are doing great. So today we will discuss the chapter our environment. Under this chapter we will be discussing about the interaction between physical and biological environment, natural environment and human environment. What is environment? The term environment means the surroundings or condition within which a person, animals and plant exist. Our environment is made up of different components which can be classified into natural and human environment, where natural environment includes the physical and biological elements of the earth. Physical environment comprises of the non-living or abiotic components like land, water and air, whereas biological environment comprises of the basic components like human beings, plants, animals. Now coming back to what is human environment. Human environment is formed by human beings, their creation, activities, social, economic, political condition in which they live. As an activity, I want you all to share your views on the environmental problems and the measures to overcome those problems. Now, let us discuss about the interaction between physical and biological environment. The physical and biological environments are interrelated. There is constant interaction between the two in the form of transfer of energy and matter. The biotic and abiotic elements of the environment go through a number of changes which affect the other. We have learnt with an example in our online class. Now, let us discuss about the natural environment. Everything that is not human made comes under natural environment. Land, air, water, plants and animals all comprise the natural environment. There are 4 domains of the natural environment such as lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere, where we have discussed about each one with its importance in our online class. As an activity, I want you all to draw the 4 domains of the earth in A4 size sheet or in a chart. Now, let us discuss about the human environment. Humans are the only living organisms who have consciously altered the environment to suit their needs. As time passed, the requirements of human beings increased, where they have modified their natural environment through various activities such as farming, lumbering, construction, industry, which has affected our natural environment. As an activity, I want you all to gather more information about various plants and animals in the world and make a chart. In this chapter, we have discussed our environment. Under this, we have learnt about the interaction between physical and biological environment, natural environment and human environment. So that's it students. I hope all of you will do the activity. See you soon. Thank you.